welcome Lenoir.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Simon Lenoir. I'm the CEO and founder of a booking software called Rezdy. Today, I would like to talk to you about the cool kid in the industry, the tools and activities, the things to do, and how Rezdy and other companies in partnership with Expedia are trying to solve what I believe is the most important challenge for us in the industry. I'm very happy to be here today in front of 4,000 of my industry peers. Let's go. So let me start with an equation, how value equals more. Value is about the value we as an industry bring to our customers. More is about how by doing so, we can get them to spend more time in the destination, experience more of the things to do in the destination, and generate more revenue for all of us in the industry. I really feel like as an industry, we're focusing way too much on the top of the photo, the beautiful view on the ocean. But if we don't allow a customer to immerse themselves underneath, to go deeper, they will miss the most beautiful part, here, the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. Before starting Rezdy, I was teaching scuba diving in Southeast Asia. I like to go deep. I like to go deeper on every single dive. When I go to a place, I also like to immerse myself into the place and have different type of experience. Scuba diving is my big thing, but destinations have a lot more to offer. In that case, that's in front of the Oceanographic Museum in Monaco. Why is that relevant for us as an industry? Because by providing more immersive experience to our customer, we will bring more value. With a very big contrast, a few months ago here in Vegas, I had the opportunity to experience a very, very unique type of activity where real ex-militaries coach you in a dark room on how to survive in case of a zombie attack, because zombies are real. So you go in a room and you learn how to check the corners and clear the room. Scary. I had a great time. It was good fun. I see a lot of value into it, so I was more likely to spend more time in the destination, share more on social media, and generate more revenue for the industry. Here comes the escape room. At Rezdy, we're really lucky. We process over $1 billion of booking on behalf of our customer every year. So we have a lot of data, and we love data. We look at trends all the time. I can share with you that the escape room is the fastest category across multiple categories in Rezdy. If you're not familiar with it, you lock in a room for an hour, and you need to use your local environment, and some clues to escape the room. It's real good fun for kids. It's real good fun for families. And it's also great for corporate events. And here is a photo of the Rezdy staff last year during our Christmas party. We had a lot of fun. We had different teams. We were competing against each other, and within the teams, working together to find solutions to different types of puzzles. It was good fun. I personally learned about Ned Kelly. I heard about it before, but I'm going to quote Confucius right now because I always wanted to quote Confucius in front of 4,000 people. You hear and you forget. You see and you remember. You experience and you understand. It's all about building memories. Let's follow the guide now. We're going to travel to Seoul, Korea. This type of escape room is innovating with technology. In that case, they're using laser beam, and you have to solve different clues, different puzzles to deactivate the beam so you can escape the room. A little bit closer to home or to here, in San Francisco, there's a new type of escape room called Reason that is not only fully packed of technology, but they ask you to use technology to escape the room. It's a truly immersive experience with technology where you can use technology that you will not have on your daily life. So you can pilot a drone. You can dive into VR. We just learned about that today. You can use a 3D printer, holograms. You can levitate stuff, and that I have no idea how they do. You can even control a robot. The next slide is about innovation. What we're looking at here, and we're going to travel to Europe for that one, it's pure innovation. And what is innovation is not the combination of two existing technology together to do something new. Here you have your good old roller coaster, and you have virtual reality. Combined together, create a totally new type of experience. Look like good fun. So these two people here are evolving in a virtual world, and they might actually, with a click of a button, doing two different type of activity and have totally different experiences themselves. The next slide is my favorite, and I'm going to ask you to guess what it is. It's a ghost train. You remember the good old ghost train that were going super slow and with your grandfather and you were 6 years old and an underpaid actor tried to scare you? Well, now imagine that you can have a virtual world with a very virtual monsters jumping at you and scaring the hell out of you. My next example is called The Void. That's my last example. The Void, it's an upcoming escape room. It's actually not really an escape room. It's a maze where they build a virtual world on top of physical environment. So you will be touching the walls, but what you see through your VR headset is totally different. They're experiencing with 4D, which is 4 dimension. They're trying to bring smell, cold or hot temperature, rain, smoke. And it's not open yet, but it looks super exciting, and I will definitely try to go on that one ASAP. So that's about it. I just wanted to show you a few examples, and I hope today I was able to demonstrate how technology can help to create new engaging and immersive activities, and how immersive experiences are really necessary for us as an industry to do a better job to provide value to our customer. Because providing more value to a customer will allow us to get more time in the destination, more social share, more brand loyalty, and generate more revenue for all of us in the industry. Thank you very much.